But inside this peaceful morning, something massive is being built.
Let's step inside the plane where airplanes get their power.
These metals are about to transform into a roaring turbine.
This heat marks the birth of a jet engine. Each blade must survive thousands of degrees.
Even a scratch could cause disaster.
Only the strongest survive this test.
Precision here means life in the sky.
These rings will squeeze air harder than a hurricane.
This is the spine of the entire engine.
The body of the beast begins to form.
These wings will move tons of air every second.
A single crack, a Civi's engine failure.
This is the face every passenger sees.
This chamber will hold miniature explosions.
Fuel must burn perfectly, every time.
This is where the real power begins.
Each piece weighs more than a small car.
Dust here could destroy the whole engine.
The heart of the engine is almost beating. The machine finally takes shape.
Electricity must flow like veins in a body. Every bolt holds the sky.
Without this, the engine would melt.
This engine will read its own heartbeat.
The signature look of aerospace power. Where fire finally escapes.
Now, Buckchaman. Now comes the moment of truth.
Once this door closes, everything changes.
The monster awakens.
This is raw aviation power.
Even success must be verified. Every engine has its own identity.
Ready to travel before it makes others travel.
This engine will soon lift hundreds of lives into the sky, but its journey began right here.